A circuit-style clock with a cyber-inspired decor look. There are 4 LEDs that blink in sequence, each representing a quarter of a minute. It looks incredibly futuristic and makes a perfect desk decoration. With a unique exposed circuit design, let's get started. For this project, I'm using a 4x6 inch 3D photo frame, a 240 by 240 round display, ESP32S3 board, an AHT20 and BMP280 sensor module, 3.7 volts, size 14500 battery, 1mm copper wire, and the LED tubes I made in the previous video. First, I measured the dimensions of the frame. Then I arranged the components on paper to test the layout. Mark the component positions on the paper. Remove the factory solder joints from the display board. Next, I drew the circuit traces as a guide. Bend the copper wire along the guidelines. Position the components and solder the connecting pins. The wiring diagram is available in the description. Separate the fuse and remove the lead wires. Solder the LED onto the cap. I used 4 different LED colors. Remove the battery wrappers and solder them in parallel. The wiring diagram is available in the description. Connect it to your computer and upload the code. Enter your Wi-Fi name and password here. will add a battery charging module. These two copper wires are purely for aesthetics. Glue it onto the background paper. Drill a hole on the back to attach the switch and power input. Add a switch to turn the device on and off. Next, I will use a Type-C charging port. Now mount everything onto the frame. And that's it, all done. You can charge it here or keep it powered continuously. Good luck with your own version. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.